Hello friends, Nihar from here, and today we are going to talk about storage type in AWS. In the last video we already talked about block storage, but today we will be cover next one is file storage. Then later video will be cover object storage. Then what is the file storage that we have to understand first. Okay, so proceed this slide. What is file storage? What is FS? That will be talked right now. Like as many-to-many relationship. It's the FS file storage is like as many-to-many relationship. For example, you have computer server 1 and computer server 2. Now the computer server 1 sending the data to a disk 1 and same time it's also sending the data to disk 2. And the computer server 2 sending the data to disk 2 and same time it's sending the data to also disk 1. It's like a many-to-many relationship. It's like as you sending the data to your colleague and colleague send to data to you, and when you want the colleague send to data to other and other also send to data to colleague. It's like as many-to-many relationship that is called as file storage. Okay. So next type of file storage. How many type of file storage in AWS? There are 3 types. First one is elastic file system. Second one is FSX for Windows and FSX for the cluster. Here is the 3 type. First one the elastic file system, then FSX for Windows and FSX for cluster. So first we have to understand what is the elastic file system. Amazon elastic file system means Amazon EFS provide a simple, scalable, fully managed elastic NFS file system. What is NFS? NFS is the network file system. Okay. So Amazon elastic file system, Amazon EFS providing simple with the scalable. You know the scalable? You know well about the scalable. When you want to increasing and decreasing as per the traffic, it's automatically scalable and fully manageable as the rule of NFS file system. It's called the elastic file system. Next one is FSX for Windows. Amazon FSX for Windows file server provide fully managed and high reliable and the scalable. Sometimes you can be increasing, decreasing, and that as per the traffic your database space is increasing and also decreasing, like as a file storage. That is the FSX for Windows. It's particularly used for the Windows. Amazon FSX for Windows file server. It's totally used for Windows, providing fully managed, high reliable and the scalable file storage. The next one is FSX for cluster. Amazon FSX for cluster is fully managed service that providing cost effectivity like in high performance. Inside the cost effectivity, but the performance is high. Same time, the high performance file system integrated with Amazon S3. High performance file system integrated with the Amazon S3. That is, in next video we will be talk about the object storage. That time we will be cover about the S3. So guys, this is the basic 3 types. One is elastic file system, FX for Windows and FSX for cluster. FX for Windows is particularly used for Windows. It's scalable and high reliable, and same time the cluster FSX is high reliable, cost effectivity, the high performance file system integrated with Amazon S3. Okay, so let's guys we go to know about the advantage. Okay, we will be cover little about that. Here you can be see first one is Amazon elastic file system. Here is the benefit is scalable and performance, you know well. Then dynamic elasticity, you know it's auto dynamic. Okay, fully manageable. Okay, cost effectivity and security, the completion. That's everything is the benefit is equally like as the security, then cost effectivity, that is the scalable, then about the sharing the file storage and dynamic elasticity and the fully managed. Then same time in FX, here is built for Windows server only, simple and fully managed, lower cost SMB file storage in the cloud, secure and compliant and broadly accessible, fast and flexible performance. And here is the benefit you can be reading here. High performance and scalable, easy to use S3 data. Here is only S3 integration is there whenever you use to FX cluster. cost effectivity, simple and fully managed, secure and compliant. Okay, and it's also designing for Linux workload. Okay, that's detail about all the benefit once you use these three types of file system, file storage in AWS. There is the elastic file system for Windows FX and FSX for Lustre. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe me, and next video we will be talk about object storage, that is S3, simple storage service. That's next video we will be talking about. Till then guys, bye bye. Also again I remind you, don't forget to subscribe me. If you like this video, subscribe me, and see you in next video. Bye bye bye.